Summer Storm by Charles Wright. As Mondrian knew, art is the image of an image of an image, more vacant, more transparent with each repeat and slough. One skin, two skins, it comes clear, an old idea, not that old. Two rectangles, red and gray, from 1935. Distant thunder, like distant thunder. Howitzer shells, large drop-offs into drumbeat and roll. And there's that maple again, head like an African Ice Age queen, full-leafed and lipped. Behind her, like clear weather, Mondrian's window gives out onto ontology. A dab of red, a dab of gray, white interstices. You can't see the same thing twice, as Mondrian knew.